Hello, friends. So here I am with one beautiful question, which is world's one of the tough questions asked in Olympiads, IITJEE, Indian Tough Exam, and top global university exams such as Math Association of America and Stanford and different university level exams. So, and China university exams, just like for IITs in India. So, this question is I want to solve this in a blink of eye. So, the question is there are three circles, one big circle of radius 4, and another circle of radius 2, and there is a small circle, and all these three circles are touching one common line. Means the common line is the tangent. So, if you want to try, just pause the video and take some time and try and mention your answer in the chat box or in the comment section. Therefore, in the next video, I definitely appreciate your name in the video. Right? If you not, if you want to try, okay. Otherwise, you can learn with me. Ready? So, all of you look here at this question. I'm explaining all of you, dear students. So, before I'm going to explain this, just look this question once again. So, here is a question. Actually, this radius R1 they gave it as a 4, R2 is 2, and AB is a length of common tangent. That common tangent actually we call it as direct common tangent. So many of us know the formula of direct common tangent, and the formula for the direct common tangent is under root of d square minus of r1 minus r2 whole square. And here d is what? Here d is distance between the center C1 and C2. D is the distance between the center C1 and C2. So this every one of us know. Don't worry. If you don't know this, I just want to give you complete clarity in the concepts, and later we can move to discuss about this blink of eye question. Right, student? So all of you look here. Once again, I am giving complete concept of this. So here is a circle of radius R1, another circle of radius R2, and these two are touching a common line called what? Direct common tangent. This we call it as a direct common tangent, and the length AB we have to find. So what I'm doing is I'm just constructing a right angle triangle based on the given information. Right. So this is a right angle triangle. In that triangle, this gap will become this total is R1. Therefore, this gap will become as R1 minus R2. And I'm just drawing a line parallel to AB. So that length will become equal. Now it is a simple one rectangle type of thing. Now I need to find this length, and I know this is the distance between the centers D, and this is the difference of radius. Therefore, by using Pythagoras theorem, we can get this as under root of d square minus of r1 minus r2 whole square. Now, similarly, I just want to apply this. Here, these two circles are not touching, but in our question, the circles are touching externally. Now, I am applying the same thing to the next our required question. This is a thing. Now, here is what is happening is these two circles are touching externally. What is a beautiful condition when the two circles are touching externally is distance between the centers is nothing but d is r1 plus r2. D is r1 plus r2. Now, if I apply the same length of formula, common tangent formula, root of d square minus of r1 minus r2 whole square, which is equal to r1 plus r2 whole square minus of r1 minus r2 whole square. By simplifying this, we will reach to here, and this is 2 times of under root of r1 r2. So this length is nothing but 2 times of r1 plus r2 when they are externally touching to each other. So the length of direct common tangent is 2 times of under root of r1 r2. This is highly essential, very important derivation to be remembered if you are trying for any competitive exam in the international level. At the same time, if you are the faculty for trainer for all these competitive exams, it is very important. Everyone has to remember this formula. Right? Now come to our question here. So this is our question. In our question, Look here. Sorry. Here AB, that is R1, R2, already we derived it. So here is a small circle of radius R, I am assuming, which we have to find actually. So I'm applying the same thing. This is length of common tangent and this is length of common tangent. This together is sum of both the lengths is equal to AB. So that is the thing. I just applied my formulas here. For this big thing is 2 times of under root R1 R2. For this thing is small r and R1 I have to consider. And for this thing is R and R2 I have to consider. Now simplifying this, we got wonderful derivation. This is very, very important. Therefore, R is, can you remember this formula? R is, what's the formula? R1 R2 by under root of R1 plus R2 whole square. This is actually derivation I give. If you remember this means, it says simply in blink of eye, you can answer it. Now, as you know the formula, you can directly supply that 2 and 4 here. By supplying 2 and 4 here, you will get it as 4 by root 2 plus 1 whole square. Dear students, I hope you got this thing. And the similar type of question they asked in JEE 2020, JEE 2020 January exam they asked, instead of giving R1 R2 R, they gave small ABC R the radius and they gave some conditions in the options. So dear students, generally all national international level questions they are looking at these type of things, right? So if you learned anything here, please put it in the comment box and please share it to all your friends and colleagues. Therefore, let them also get this benefit and give the right questions and right time to the right students. Right? So thank you for watching and please subscribe if you are not subscribing for more type of these type of things and have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.